Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So when it comes to a heating system, if you do any work, you're going to have to bleed out the particular zones. So we have our baseboard here. This is our bleeder valve. So water comes in and then it goes back down towards the boiler. This is the return side. Alright guys, this is our tools list. So you need a container and then a flathead screwdriver to be able to do this job. It might also not hurt to have some paper towel on hand if necessary. So we have a slot at the top and then this is our hole. So to bleed the air out, make sure that the heat is on for that zone, then open the valve. What we're looking for is this, a nice stream of water. But if there's any air, you're going to see the spurting and hear it. Alright, so giving this a little bit of time, so I'm going to close off the bleeder. And now go to the radiator. You may have to do this a couple times to get the air out, but what we're looking for is a consistent stream like you just saw. Okay, the next one. Alright, we'll shut this one off and then go on to the next one. Alright, so this is the next one. Alright, so when you bleed the air out of your radiators, you have to do it all in that zone. This is the main floor, so I went through all the radiators. I don't see any air. But you may have to do this more than once. But you want a nice steady stream as you see here to make sure that there's no air left in the system. If you have air in the system, it can be noisy. You're not going to have any heat because it's airlocked. And you can run into other problems. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.